COVID-19 Influenza A B Antigen Combo Test Kit. It's 3 virus in one test. Results in 15 minutes. Test kit. If you have COVID-19 or influenza type A or B specific symptoms within the first 7 days of symptom onset. Components: sample extraction buffer, 1 instruction for use, 1 sterile swab, test card. Use within 1 hour after opening the foil push. Avoid contact of the extraction liquid in tube with skin and eyes. Step 1. Specimen collection. Insert swab deeply into both nostrils and throat and rotate to collect specimen. Peel off the aluminum foil seal from extraction tube. Immerse the sample swab into the sample extraction tube. Rotate and squeeze the swab 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 10, 15. Maybe enough. Insert the tube cap and gently shake the extraction tube to mix with extraction buffer. Third position. Insert the testing kit and place 2-3 drops of mixed buffer on the testing kit and make sure the kit absorbs well. Read results after 15 minutes. The test is in working condition, test kit, and we are waiting 15 minutes to get results. Because I also have fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, there must be influenza type B, flu type B. And I will go to rest, maybe, and will drink plenty of fluids, maybe a lot of water. Okay, let's stay home, away from work.